Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. So, this one is Justin Bieber's new song called Hold On. So, am I a true believer? No, I'm not really. But this one is worth to hold on to. So, let's dive into the chords and everything else. So, to begin with, we have this capo set on the 4th fret to get the right sound here. And we have pretty basic chords here. It's A minor. So for those who had not followed this channel and are not familiar with the chords, it's with the middle finger you pick on or you set your finger on the 2nd fret D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret G string, and your index finger on the 1st fret B string. So A minor, and then we have a standard G chord. So 3rd fret E string, 2nd fret A string, and then you can choose to have your ring finger here on the 3rd fret B string and your little pinky on the 3rd fret E string. Like this, and then we have an F. So you bar the 1st fret here, and the rest looks like an E, but you just move it up 1 step. So your ring finger on the 3rd fret A string, your little pinky on the 3rd fret D string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret G string. That's F, and then we go to the C chord, and it's your 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret D string, and 1st fret B string. So we had A minor, G, F, C, and on just one place when we have this play going on, which I showed you in the intro, and I will soon show you, we also have a B/G chord. I'm gonna show you how to play that later. So, if we start with this picking pattern here, you play this one on the verse and on the pre-chorus, and it's based upon these chords I just showed you, and the pattern which you pick is pretty much the same. So it starts with the A minor, and it's enough if you just hold your index finger here on the 1st fret B string, and it sounds like this. And how you play this one, it's open A string, then this one, 1st fret B string, and open G string, and open A string again, and 1st fret B string. So A, B, G, A, B. And the feeling is, and you play it only once, so like this, yeah. Then the next grip, you just add your finger here, preferably like the ring finger on the 3rd fret on the E string, to get the sound from the G chord, because this is the G note here. And the pattern here is the same, except from you use this one, the E string, as your bass. So E, B, G, E, B. And from this grip you go to the F, and you just put your index finger here on the 1st fret E string, and your long finger, your middle finger here on the 1st fret the B string. And same here, the pattern is the same as in the the G chord pattern. So you play the E, B, G, E, B. Only once. And then you go back to this grip again, to the G chord. So the first round is and the second round is same except from the last chord, so A minor, G, F, and instead of going back to the G here, you go to the C, which is just one step down. So you have the C here on the 3rd fret A string, and the same with your index finger here on the 1st fret B string. And the pattern is exactly the same, so A, B, G, A, B. So if we take that one more time to just get the picture of how it sounds together, everything. So G, F, back to G, A minor, G, F, and C. This is the round for the verse. And then when we come to the pre-chorus, it's almost the same. The first part is the same, so A minor, G, F, back to G again. And here the other part is a little bit different. It's A minor, and then you don't go to G, you go to the B instead, and here you only play the half of the pattern, so only this part, and you answer with the C. So one more time, from the A, B, C, and then F. And it stops there. And then we are in front of the chorus. So if we take the pre-chorus one more time, just slowly, so you get the picture of how it sounds fully. So A minor, G, F, back to G, A minor, B, C, F, pause. So it's based on like if we just have the bass played, so you will get to understand how it's played when we have this pre-chorus. So okay. Then the chorus is the same pattern through the whole chorus. So it's like this: down, pause, down, up, down, up. So down, pause, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And it sounds like this in the standard tempo. chords here are the same as as before. So it's A minor, G, F, and back to G, A minor, G, F, and instead of G we go to C. So na, 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 So that's the strumming pattern there and the chords for the chorus. And then we have this post-chorus thing going on. So it's the same chords as in the chorus. So A minor, G, F, and back to G. A minor again, G, F, and to C. And here we have this only one downstroke and a clap for every chord. So it's a kind of a bridge to play the chorus again. So So this pretty much covered the whole song. I hope you enjoy this one, and I hope you get to know this picking pattern here. It takes some time to get it to be a part of you, so you can play this one during perhaps singing the song or whatever you want to do with it. But it's definitely not impossible, and I think you are able to manage to play this. So if you like this one, please thumb up, please comment, or the absolute best thing you can do is to subscribe to this channel, and we go from here together. So good luck with this song, and as always, play tuned.